I wanted to be bygone so many times. In this Lal Mati, in this sweet, warm Dokhin Hawa, in this crowd, deep within myself. But could I? The clock ticked by, I embraced it, went with it, loved it, hated it, cherished it. Probably lost something else. Like right now, I can't find that touch, the dreams of that teenager girl. If I could only paint my own drawings once again, with the colors of the Lal Mati, with the hope that lives in my dream, with the shadow of that big banyan tree. If I could only paint myself once again, as the brighter winter sun grew bigger, the shadows started shrinking, melting away in the warmth of Shantiniketan. Sometimes I wonder, who is bigger, me or my shadow? This is Adviti. The first time when she came here, she was wearing a blue frock, had 2 braids, and a little shadow following her. Adviti's father called out,
Riksha!
It's more crowded now, with full serious people. Jogada used to take me along this same road in a rickshaw. I wasn't alone though. Gopa used to come with me. We used to gossip and then quarreled and then made up for nothing. And then we always had the fuchka party, that spicy fuchkas. We loved it. We were so close, no one have thought that we were each other's shadow. The fingers trembled a little as she signed in the hotel register. She's come for a couple of days, so staying in a hotel. Once upon a time, old Adviti used to sign her name in her cursive handwriting in the hostel register and enter her hostel. She would then lay in her bed and open the book freshly bought from the library. Her ears open, listening to all sorts of gossips. Someone had a big fight, or someone had fallen in love again. In her dreams, she would hear someone singing, calling out from afar, and before she knew, she was also out, following that unknown voice. No more wearing a frock. Instead, a sari draped across her.
মম দুঃখ বেদনা মম সফল সবন মম দুঃখ বেদনা মম সফল সবন তুমি ভরিবে সৌরভে নিশীথে নিশম তুমি রবে নীরবে হৃদয়ে মম তুমি রবে নীরবে নিবিড় নিভৃত পূর্ণিমা নিশীথে নিশম তুমি রবে নীরবে হৃদয়ে মম তুমি রবে নীরবে
Such a beautiful morning. Calm, fresh, soft, like the soft petals of Polash. It reminded of a class which would have started this morning hours, and a mischief would have started. One day, when Chokhir Bali was being taught in the class, Gopa and I secretly named our friendship as Shona Juri. Oof, it was so amazing. After a long time, I met Gopa. Even after so many years, she still has that sweet singing voice. She started singing, and my heart started dancing with the song. So I also danced after such a long time. Time was passing like a magic.
গ্রাম ছাড়া ওই রাঙা মাটির পথ আমার মন ভুলায় রে। শ্যামলীদির কোনো খবর পাস রে?
না, সোশ্যাল মিডিয়াতেও নেই আর কোথাও কোনো খবর নেই।
I recalled Shamolidi and Bibhasta. Shamolidi had told Bibhasta, I don't have much time anymore, Bibhash. You have to hurry. So much pressure at home. Bibhasta's big eyes had listened. Then he had straightened his unkempt hair and slowly walked away, never to come back. Me and Gopa were with Shamolidi that day. We all three had cried so much. The fading sun on our face was desperately trying to dry off our tears. And today, just at this time, the sun was playing a hide-and-seek game with the Shonajri trees.
তারে হাওয়ায় হাওয়ায় নিয়ে গেল কোন চেনার ধারে।
Shonibare heart was waking up, waiting for the crowd that was slowly building up. Gopa and me, the two old friends, were slowly walking in that crowd. This heart is more than a heart. It feels like a festival, a reunion with the Lal Mati, baul songs, folk dances, and memories. I cherished each moment, fully aware that soon the day will pass, ending all its beautiful moments, and the dusk will settle in slowly.
হ্যাঁ, তুই শুনবি তো? কেমন আছিস?
এই চলে যাচ্ছে।
বাহ, কত বড় হয়ে গেছে।
তোমাকে আমি ওখানে দেখলাম যে তুমি পুলিশ থানা ওখানে, তুমি আমি খুব চেনা চেনা লাগছে, খুব চেনা চেনা। তুই একবার আমার সাহস করে দেখি, কথা বলে দেখি।
তুই কি করছিস এখন?
এই এখন এখানে একটা ছোট্ট মায়ের পাশে দোকান দিয়েছি।
আচ্ছা,
এই একতারার বাঁশি সব বানায়, মা কাপড় বিক্রি করে।
খুব ভালো।
আচ্ছা, তোমার মনে আছে সেই ছোটবেলা তোমাদের হোস্টেলে যেতাম,
হ্যাঁ,
সেই নুড়ি কাকড় এইসব নিয়ে গিয়ে তোমাকে দিতাম, দিয়ে বলতাম রাজার মণিমুক্ত।
সেই
Kauai
সেইখান
was
থেকে
my
অভ্যাস হয়ে
home,
গেছে।
the wild bushes, my shelter. And like a blink of the eye, the days were gone with the wind. Pages turned, our story ended. I got back from Shantiniketan. The evening before I went back, all of us friends sat together in a circle in our take. Light had dimmed that evening. Penny by penny, we paid off all our debts. But still, nothing matched. Stale tea left in the cup. Kajal melted away from my eyes. I had to let go of all my friends one by one. All stored in the memory. The take is just like me, even today. The lights, there are fading. I bought a sari from Sandeep. My heart wanted to wear all the saris. One for Gopa, one for the fights that we used to have, one for our never-ending friendship, one just to celebrate my sudden visit, and one to take with me. It is not that if I don't get this soft handmade batik work in Kolkata. But will anyone in Kolkata give me an iktara like this? Will I find that little Sandeep and his real gems in Kolkata? I forgot to say, I acted like a fool in the morning. There was a police booth inside Shonajuri. That was the last thing I expected at Shonajuri. I thought it might be an art gallery, and I had almost entered inside. Someone from inside shouted, "Yes, madam, any problem?" Oh, what happened? Then I realized the police booth was to help those people who had come to the heart. Actually, it is very useful, especially for the people who have come from other places. But for me, everyone was like I knew them. Every face was like a similar face. Didn't feel anyone was from outside. Bags packed. The return ticket to Kolkata in my hand, telling me time to leave you. But I'm not going alone. I'll be carrying your bits and pieces with me. The dusky evening, the russet afternoon, the silhouettes. And with my memories, repainted, colored, nourished. What did I lose? I wish I could keep a track. A train will take me back to Kolkata. But in my dreams, the same train will bring back me. Right here to you. I wish I could stay here a bit more. But I must go. I have to go.
ছেড়ো না মোরে ছেড়ো না সংসার গহনে নির্ভয় নির্ভর নির্জন স্বজনে সঙ্গে রহ চিরসখা হে ছেড়ো না মোরে